The next section in the study data is the revision history, which should not be confused with the revalidation history, which is just a simple list of all the revalidations that were performed from a documentation perspective. The revision history, on the other hand, is a list of all of the prior revisions of the document. So in OpenPHA, you can actually store and track multiple different versions of the PHA study. So for each revalidation, in this case, I have a list of 3 different revalidations. If I want to take the document that I have at this particular point in time and freeze it and call it an official revision, I click on the plus button in the worksheet toolbar, and that's going to allow me to create a new revision, which is basically going to freeze what I have in time. So I could call it revision 4, give it a description of 4th revision. I can enter in any kind of remarks that I might have about that revision and then hit create. So now the software knows that there are 4 revisions that it has all the way back into the past. So I can keep track of all those old revisions and I can view them. So if I wanted to go back and see what was in revision 0, I can click on Rev 0 and go back in time and look at it. So when I do that, you'll see it says now viewing data for Rev 0. So I went back in time and I could see all of the information that's associated with that older version of the document. So you're not only tracking what revisions occurred and when they occurred, but you also have the data available that you can view those frozen instances of time in perpetuity. Not only can you view them, you can actually bring them back to life as a new document so that you can edit even those old versions. So very powerful revision tracking capabilities in the premium cloud-based version of the OpenPHA software. We'll talk about those features more when we get to the premium features section of the software.